Hello, guys, welcome to my new vlog. This is Sanjana from the beautiful city of Brussels. और आज है Sunday and I planned to go to this flea market. उससे पहले मैं मिशी को लेके गई उसको घुमाना, you know, the daily chore that you need to do being a parent. So yeah, हम लोग फिर ready होके चल गए because this flea market is very nearby to my house. पास में ही है. So मैं कभी गई नहीं, but ये वीक में 7 days बैठता है एंड आई नेवर गॉट द चांस टू सी. सो आज मैं गई. इट वॉज क्राउडेड, द वेदर वॉज नाइस टुडे एंड आई वॉज इन ऑ बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऐसे एंटिक चीज़ें मिल रही थी जो मैंने कभी नहीं देखा. मैंने बहुत बार सुना है रिगार्डिंग द फ्ली मार्केट्स एंड बहुत रील्स एंड ऑल देखा है, बट मैंने कभी खुद एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया कहीं पे भी, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सो यहाँ पे जब मुझे पता चला एंड आकाश एक बार जाके आ चुका है, सो ही टोल्ड मी कि बहुत सुंदर है, तुम्हें बहुत पसंद आएगा. सो आई सेड व्हाई नॉट. सो इस फ्ली मार्केट में यू आर गेटिंग एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम पेंटिंग्स टू एंटिक्स टू लाइक cutleries to furnitures to clothes, toys, I think instruments, shoes. I mean, क्या नहीं था? I think I'm missing something out. Cameras, you know, पुराने phones, even like, you know, the keypad phones जो अभी discontinue हो चुका है, but I got to see so much, the brands and all that's not there anymore. Leather bags and all, which was ruined, but you know, for a collection, I mean, I've seen videos where people, you know, restored the bags and all that. So people were taking this, so there were like games and stuff. This was a Disney original chessboard. Oh my god, it was so nice. Or antiques and pieces, I mean, it was so beautiful. Honestly, मुझे ये समझ आ गया कि if you have a house out here, then you can just, you know, go to such flea market and get stuff and आप अपने घर को सुंदर से सजा सकते हो. So it's like basically less money, but you know, a beautiful, very aesthetic house you can, you know, build with this. I mean, decor, sorry, not build. I mean, आप decorate कर सकते हो with the things that was available here. आप bargain कर सकते हो because यहाँ पे expensive stuff भी था. And it was actually so beautiful कि मैं बस देखने में लग गई. And I was trying to see if I could get some, you know, old pieces of jewelry which I loved. You know, cutleries में especially these plates, I have no idea इनको बोलते क्या है, but I have seen in movies and stuff कि people, you know, put it in the walls as like, you know, जैसे हम photo frames लगाते हो, so they put this plates too because ये लोग भी कोई value रखता है and something like that. So there were different you know, objects too. I mean, कुछ पुराने, you know, dolls and stuff were there. So देखने में कैसा लग रहा था, but you know, it was fun looking at stuff. So many things. I mean, there were instruments जो अभी मिलता भी नहीं होगा, कोई use भी नहीं करता होगा, but you know, it was there. So yeah. You know, I was looking at the brooches. I don't wear brooches. I don't like brooches, but I'll tell you the styles. It was so pretty. I mean, you had the chameleon, the lizard, the dragonfly. I mean, so much. And these cameras, I was like in love. मैंने अभी recently camera लिया है, so I couldn't buy one. But ऐसे vintage कुछ cameras थे जो मैं देख के I was like, oh my god. And ये आप अपने हिसाब से, like if you have a theme in your mind and you want to decorate accordingly, so आप कर सकते हो. Like, oh my god, the colors, there were things. I mean, clothes भी थे, you know, the thrift ones. मैं बस देखने गई थी. Honestly, I didn't buy anything because you know, it's like जब खुद का घर हो, then you can think of buying a lot of stuff, but if you you know, stay in a rented apartment, it's a different thing. And मेरे घर में इतना furnished है, यहाँ पे घर छोटे छोटे होते हैं, apartments छोटे होते हैं, so I don't have even space to, you know, put something up. So yeah, मैंने बस देखा. I'll see अगर मुझे कभी कुछ अच्छा लगे, because ये पास में बैठता है, तो I'll keep checking, you know, out this place. But honestly, मैं बस देखने गई थी. It was like a bliss to the eye. So I was just making myself happy with the view. And मुझे पता भी नहीं कि ये crocodile head was real or not, but you know, they were like बच्चों के लिए खास था vinyls, and then you had books and stuff. So we did all that and we came back and we sat on the park for some time क्योंकि आज का weather after a long hot week we had a beautiful weather, हवा चल रहा था ठंडा वाला. So we sat down, we had some good time. It's that typical laid back Sunday, so we were just chilling. हम लोग बैठ गए. Mishi was happy, we were happy. So आज का व्लॉग मैं यहीं पे ख़त्म करती हूँ. अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, और मैं मिलती हूँ आपको अगले व्लॉग में. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.